On September 7, 2024, Trooper Babel was alerted to a pursuit involving a reckless driver traveling the wrong way through traffic. He quickly joined the chase and took over as the primary unit, attempting to bring the dangerous situation to an end. The suspect refused to stop and continued driving the Chevy Tahoe recklessly down the highway, switching lanes and ignoring the trooper's attempts to end the pursuit. After multiple failed attempts, Trooper Babel positioned himself and prepared for the final move. Trooper Babel successfully performed a pit maneuver, sending the Tahoe into the median where it rolled over. The driver was pulled from the vehicle and taken into custody, with further investigation revealing signs of impairment, an open alcohol container, and a firearm inside the vehicle. On November 29, 2025, Trooper Ty Robertson was patrolling US 65 near Valley Springs when he spotted a motorcycle traveling at a high rate of speed. After confirming the violation and attempting a traffic stop, the rider refused to stop and immediately fled, starting a dangerous pursuit. The motorcycle quickly became a serious threat, reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour while passing vehicles in dangerous areas and even using the wrong side of the roadway with oncoming traffic nearby. TFC Robertson stayed with the rider as the reckless pursuit continued.
Church, just at the end of the passing lanes when you first come into Searcy County. I've got 2 guardrails on the narrow side here. Ready to come in the pinwheel.
The hot list was updated.
Yeah, still southbound. He's still going with oncoming traffic around corners. Speeds up about 80.
There's 9. How about the advice if you got it?
10-4, going past McLean, speed's 90. He's got a U.S. Air Force sticker on the back of his motorcycle, but it's not. He's waving his hand at me, but still doing 90. Pull over, dude. You're not getting away. Till southbound past Phillip Lane. Speed's about 90. I think he's gonna wreck out. He's wrecked out. Show me your.
The pursuit ended when the motorcycle finally lost control and crashed near Pendle, Arkansas. TFC Robertson took the rider into custody without further incident, where additional investigation revealed an open bottle of alcohol and suspected marijuana in his possession. On June 23, 2026, Trooper Ronald Elkins was alerted to a pursuit coming from Oklahoma into Arkansas involving a white Chrysler passenger car. As the vehicle entered his area, Trooper Elkins intercepted the pursuit and took over as the primary unit.
Coming across Mellon Bridge. Arkansas 329, John Mary Mary, 329 JMM.
329 JMM.
Hey, there's a moped up here. Tell them to watch out for that moped. Coming up to 250. Passing 255.
Airfield 255.
'50th.
50th.
Got a motorcycle ahead of us. I'm backing off. I'm backing off. TVI, TVI, TVI.
CBR.
Where's you at? Where's you at?
Just past 50th in front of K. Rogers and George.
The suspect pushed the vehicle over 100 miles per hour, ran red lights, weaved through traffic, and repeatedly tried to escape by brake-checking the patrol vehicle. After one failed pit attempt, Trooper Elkins stayed with the suspect and continued the pursuit through Fort Smith.
We're approaching North 6 again, North 6.
Virgin North 6.
Southbound 6, southbound 6.
Southbound 6.
Approaching 50th.
50th.
Trooper Elkins eventually performed a successful pit, sending the vehicle into a ditch where it rolled over and came to a stop. The driver was taken into custody, later identified as Larry Dwayne Rigsby, and the vehicle was confirmed stolen out of Louisiana. On November 10, 2022, Trooper was alerted that Newton County Sheriff's Office and Covington Police were chasing a vehicle possibly connected to a missing person investigation. While responding to assist, he spotted the Honda Accord driving recklessly and quickly joined the pursuit.
Do you know what jurisdiction it is? Anybody called you yet? It's an unmarked silver Tahoe.
918, I believe our CPD on their channel talking about 1080 on Henderson Miller.
Moores Farm Road. We're coming up to Moores Farm Road. It's a silver Toyota.
Radio clear, just advising none of our units are Canadian, no one told us.
Hey, where y'all at?
Coming up on Kingdom Hall, 36 southbound still, Kingdom Hall.
Kingdom Hall.
Radio speeds are 90, 95 miles an hour. Traffic's light.
9 miles, traffic lane.
Radio, did Covenant PD get the 28s on it?
After taking over as the primary unit, Trooper saw the suspect aggressively swerving and driving toward a residential area, creating a serious danger for innocent people nearby. With the pursuit becoming too dangerous to continue, he decided it was time to end it.
Radio, the PD's still in the lead.
There's a changing user, good 20. Advising on Picket Bridge Road on the curb.
I'm 212 coming up to Picket Bridge.
10-4.
Alright, GSP is behind us. We are now headed toward Potts' store. If you'll ask Covenant if they'll back off, we'll let this trooper pit him. They got to get off of his bumper, though.
Jacob, when you pit, we'll spin and pin. Right on with them also.
Trooper successfully performed a pit maneuver, forcing the vehicle off the roadway and into a subdivision sign and trees. The driver, Jesse Hardiman, was taken into custody and later found to be a convicted felon with multiple firearms inside the vehicle.